Welcome back, fellas, into this new video Tech Express. Today, let's check out the discount percentage into the Shopify. So if you are running a sale into your Shopify store displaying the safest percentage, like save 20%, is one of the fastest way to grab attention to your new customers. So it instantly shows the customer the value they are getting. So since free themes like Dawn and the refresh don't offer the feature out of the box, you'll use a simple universal liquid code snippet to calculate the percentage difference between the old and new price. Even what we can do is to do this with the artificial intelligence, so you don't have to focus a lot into what actually works, what didn't work, right? So let's just go straight directly into the tutorial. The first thing is to locate the price code snippet. If you focus into the Shopify element, I'm going to go for the home dashboard. Let's go for online store and click into themes. Click into the three dots on your current theme and choose the element that says edit the code. First, I'm going to show you how you can manually do this. So look here for the file named price.liquid or product price liquid, which in this case you can find it directly here into this search bar. And I just type the word product like this, price liquid. So I'm going to copy this element. Let's head back directly into our electronic section, and here it should be appearing my actual price. So inside these actual sections, let's say that I want to look out for the file into my snippet folders. Usually is where it actually appears. So here let's try to look out for the price, which in this case here is the price liquid. So the file controls the price display across the entire store. The liquid math calculation is that we needed to perform the calculation before the price elements are drawn. Do you want to scroll to the very top of the priced liquid file? We only wanted to run this code if the product is actually on sale, which I wanted to put this. We can use the ChatGPT to get started. For example, let's say I want to add an estimate discount, for example, a liquid simple code to my product page that helped me. So this exact code can be copying and paste directly in here. This is the first method. The second method, I'm going to close this, is to edit the theme right away. Directly in here, I'm going to go from the whole page, check out for products, default product. Inside my default product, I wanted to add here near the priced section, usually here into the product information, I go for add the block. And here I'm going to look out for the one that says custom liquid. So this custom liquid, I'm going to put it just below the price section like this. I click into the liquid code and I paste my liquid code. What's going to happen here is usually it might be here appearing the actual compare at price section. So I need to head back and see if this one actually works. So here I'm going to just close this custom liquid. If product compared price, product price percentage, assign a discount. Let's say, for example, 50% discount. Now, this liquid code usually does not show you a discount if your product is not at compared price. So to change that, you need to go to the exit, head over for products. Inside product, you wanted to select the product which you like to change. For example, this one. I select this element, and here is my actual brand product. So what I need to do is to make sure that I have selected, for example, this element, bulk edit, and inside here I'm going to change this. I wanted to see the compared price column, so the price and compare at. So usually, let's say that I have changed this element like this, 800. I saved it, and there we go. Now I'm going to head over for view and see if this element has now been making a few changes into this specific product main grid. As you can see, this one now appears directly in here. This one appears as sold out because we needed to change a few elements, but basically this is how we can actually control these elements directly in there. This is a very easy way of how we can actually add your compare price section. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great elements of how we can add, delete, or change this kind of stuff directly here into the Shopify. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys well next time.